Kayak fishing is a thrilling outdoor activity that combines the serenity of kayaking with the excitement of fishing. These are specially designed kayaks to help navigate rivers, lakes, and coastal waters.
I'll just take it off and you put your own bait?
Allowing for easy access to hard-to-reach fishing spots.
I think I need a whole new...
This versatile approach offers the benefits of stealth and mobility, enabling fishermen to explore shallow waters and find diverse fish species. In this video, I will go over the benefits of kayaks and what I recommend if you are considering of purchasing a kayak for fishing. Hello anglers, my name is Xandro and I'm in my 50s. I have spent years learning the intricacies of fishing, including the best techniques, gear, and locations for various types of fish. My first-hand experience allows me to provide valuable insights that can improve your fishing skills. I have the ability to break down complex techniques into understandable steps that makes it easier for others to grasp and apply. Viewers, on this channel I'll take out all the frustrating aspects of fishing by introducing only what's practical, because fishing should be fun and rewarding. If you're interested on fishing methods that are simple but effective, subscribe now. One of the biggest benefits of having a kayak is the ability to access remote locations. Kayaks can reach areas that larger boats cannot, such as shallow waters, narrow rivers, and secluded coves, giving you access to prime fishing spots. They are also relatively quiet on the water, allowing you to approach fish without startling them. This can lead to better fishing success, especially in heavily fished areas. Compared to traditional boats, kayaks are generally more affordable to purchase and maintain. There are various types and price ranges, making it accessible for different budgets. They are also lightweight and easy to transport, making them portable. You can carry them on your vehicle's roof rack or even fit them into a truck bed, making it easy to take them to your favorite fishing locations. Kayak fishing also allows of a more immersive experience with wildlife and scenery, and they are easy to launch and retrieve. Launching a kayak is typically simple and does not require a ramp or trailer, allowing for straightforward entry into the water.
Yeah, later on, if there's people going on and off here, we can do it right there. That's a nice spot too. Anywhere right there. So the thing about kayaks, you don't need the ramp.
If you have any questions regarding the topic I covered in this video, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Now back to your video. The kind of kayaks I highly recommend for fishing is the kind that is propeller driven or have some sort of flapper system to keep your hands free and not having to worry about paddling. This will keep your hands engaged on handling the fish while your legs handle all the maneuvering.
I caught something on a spoon.
Really? What the heck?
Fish on. It's a bass. On my little pole.
What the heck? What is it?
It's a bass.
cooks it when she comes back.
See, those birds tell us everything.
How big is it?
Let me find out.
What the heck? That's cool. You caught it so fast. Oh my gosh, it's little though. Oh shoot.
Can you hold this? I don't think this is legal. I'm not sure.
Is it? Yeah, I don't think it's legal. I don't know how to get near you, babe.
We might have to let him go. Well, I'll have to measure him. Come over here.
I can't. I'm trying to.
I gotta put him in the water a little bit so it gets.
Put him in the net. Watch your
Hold this. This is 60 feet.
I have the pliers, so you got them already.
Yeah, and my big spoon.
Oh my gosh. You gonna let him go? Take a picture
Oh.
now? You can put him in the net.
Well, I gotta see how big he is. Wanna hold him?
No. He's pretty. I'd just let him go.
Kayla.
Ew. So now we know.
Put him back in the water.
Other than that, most kayaks can be easily tailored to suit your fishing needs. That concludes this video, and now I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who's been with me throughout this wonderful journey.
Okay, turn around.
A special thanks to all my current subscribers and those who liked and shared my videos. I really appreciate all my viewers for taking part in supporting and helping this channel grow. And for those new to this channel, welcome.
Whoa, bring it in. Yes, it is. It is. See, he's like a cat. Stand still. There you go. The bass. Put him back in the water. This guy is bigger. Good, got my net. Got my net, guys. Ooh.
If you want to be part of this family, subscribe now.